Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys should be notified. So basically I just want to make this video, and this video gonna help you if you are looking out so the best skill you can use to make money online or on Fiverr marketplace at its own. So we'll be looking out to the best categories that make the most money on Fiverr platform. And as you can see here, there are most popular services that people do request for on the Fiverr marketplace, which are the website design, WordPress, logo design, and NFT art. The website design and WordPress are categorized under website design itself, and then or probably web design, and then the logo and arts, NFT art, are based on the design itself. So this means that these are under two categories, but we've been looking out to most of them and then see some gigs that are under each of these categories to be able to identify which of these service or category are making the best or the most money on Fiverr marketplace. So we will not cloud to the drop down to see what's going on each of these categories. So this is graphics and design, and as you can see here we have lots of subcategory under graphics design, which we have our logo and brand identity, logo design, brand style guides, font and typography, business card, and some other design which every business actually, or most business actually need to survive, as you can see. So we also have the NFT art under this graphics design, and I want to know that NFT art are kind of like high in demand back in the days, like some months ago. NFT art is what people are actually looking for, and it's trending. That's why we also see it on the most popular service search on Fiverr marketplace. And you know, to design an NFT art is from 500 bucks upward, like that. Some art even cost like 20,000 bucks. So it's just based on the client or the seller that offering that kind of service. We also have UX design, which is user experience, and trust me, all these services are high in demand, which most business actually need to survive, and also they need it for their business to grow. So, and most subcategories that I think and I believe that they are trending on Fiverr right now as I'm recording this video are under logo design, brand style guides, game art, NFT art, UX design, app design, website design based on graphics. So because these are the kind of designs that business actually need, then after the design, make that design, then they send it to the web developer to use that structure to design the website that they actually need. So we also have like presentation design as well. So all these categories are in demand, and we'll be looking out to what people are actually ordering and some gigs to see the best one that have most orders in queue. So we'll check on the logo design first. I think we should check around like 2 categories to see, then we'll be able to know which one make the most money. So, and I guess that probably 3 or 4 categories are actually making the best money on the platform. So we also check the trending section as well, which is here to see what's going on there. So here we have the logo design. So these are some logo styles which are actually required. So we have over 200,000 this is funny. About 200,000 services or gigs to be precise, about 200,000 gigs, and these are the most popular gigs that you can see so far because they appear on the first page after searching the category of graphics design. So just explore to 2 to 3 gigs and see what's going on there. 1, 2, then 3. These are the first 3 gigs, and those are the gigs we'll be looking at to see what's going on there and see the others in queue. Then we'll be able to compare which one have the most demand service on Fiverr marketplace based on my research so far. So let's check here. Okay, so wow, this is pretty amazing. This gig have over 200 orders in queue. Like, dang, this is serious. Over 200 orders in queue, over 14,000 reviews. Wow, this is wow. This is so great. This is so great. Wow. This is nice. So let's check on the second one. 4 orders in queue. Amazing. This is Fiverr choice. So basically this particular gig just rising, like it's just rising compared to maybe some other gigs. So let's check on this one too. Okay, wow, this is nice too. This 193 orders in queue and over 12,000 reviews. This is top rated seller. This is level 1 seller, and this is top rated seller, I guess. Yes, this top rated seller too. So definitely this service is high in demand, which is under logo or graphic design to be precise. So this is amazing. I won't like to take much of the time because there are a lot of subcategories under graphics design, as you can see here. So there are lots of subcategories, but if you are definitely under a graphic design, I won't advise you to go to a logo design. There are some other subcategories here. You can actually just pick one of them and then you start making money from them. So as you can see here, packaging and label design, these are some other categories that you can actually make money from instead of going to logo design, because this is damn saturated. Like, seriously, this is over 200,000 gigs. Like, before a new seller can even appear on the first page here, it will take a long time. Take a very long time, and it won't be an easy job. Like, it won't be an easy job at all. So instead, you just have to just pick one of these subcategories under graphic design, then just proceed and start your freelancing career from there. So, but that's just that, by the way. Let's check on the second categories, which is the digital marketing itself. So, and the first one we have here is social media marketing. So we also have some other subcategory here, which are video marketing, and I believe that one too is also making a lot of sense, which include video promotion, YouTube video promotion, and other stuff related like that, and podcast marketing as well. So, but definitely the one that make the most money in this category is between the social media marketing and social media advertising. So basically that's what clients used to order when they want to promote their business, products, or website. So checking on here, there are literally no $10 or $5, but this is funny because I will do super fast Facebook page promotion organic. I'm not sure this will be an organic, because if this will be organic, how am I going to spend on the promotion itself if you are going to be using social media promotion? This is just like maybe some other platform whereby I can just share a link and promote a website or a link. So let's check on the first gig. 79 orders in queue. Wow, this is great. So the basic package is even 185, the standard is 295, and the premium is 395. Wow, this is great. Let's check on other one. So let's check on this. I've been seeing this seller for a long time, so I believe he's still doing well. So this is 7 orders in queue, and the basic package is $25, so pretty well. And trust me, there will still be some gigs that might not found at the top, because probably due to the ranking or due to the Fiverr algorithm that want to make the new seller other sellers to also make money on their gig. So some gigs that have like 600, 1000 reviews might be at the bottom of the page, which is not a bad idea for everyone to be able to make money on the platform. It's not that easy for a single gig to maintain the first position or first spot for a month. There won't be any way for other people or other freelancers to be able to make money on the platform. So they used to change the algorithm to be able to favor other sellers as well. So this category is also doing well, which is under social media marketing, and then which is digital marketing to be precise. So we also have the third one, which is writing and translation. So basically, I know that this category is also making a lot of money. There are lot of high in demand skill under this category, which are sales copy, UX writing, script writing, podcast scripts, grant writing, and press release. And there are lots, even website content writing, white paper as well. So there are a lot of categories here on this category. There are a lot of subcategories here on this writing and translation that are making a lot of money. I have tried most subcategories here under this writing, like case study, blog post, ebook writing, what else again, sales copy, and then script writing as well. So there are a lot of because they are making a lot of money here. But between all this, I still can't compare it with the graphic design, because graphic design is making a lot of money, and there used to be a repeat client under the graphic design. Also under writing, there used to be a repeat turnaround client for maybe blog posts, articles, or ebook writing and so. But I can't still compare it with the graphics design. But I may choose it as the second most selling category under on Fiverr platform itself. So I don't even need to check NFTs, because I definitely know that this category is also making a lot of money on Fiverr, and sellers are doing so great on it. So which category will I choose fourth? Because this particular category that includes website design is making a lot of money, and as you can see here, Fiverr made mention of website design and WordPress, so definitely they are making a lot of money too. So I'll choose this category as the fourth category on Fiverr that make most money on the platform. So then I will proceed with the video and animation, which is the fifth category that make the most money. Then moving on to the music and audio, then business and lifestyle. So the first one should be graphic design, second one should be writing and translation, fourth one should be programming and tech, digital marketing, video animation, and then the music, then business and lifestyle. So these are the way I understand the whole market itself, the way I understand the whole market and how people are actually making lots of money in this. So this is just my own research and based on my understanding. You might also have your own way you do your marketing research and how you believe that people are making money on each of these categories which you believe in. But this is just my own observation, and this is just my own research that I did so far. If you have any suggestion or which category you believe that is making most money on the platform, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me.